Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, this is the brand new series for React.js. In the first tutorial, we had discussed about why we learn React.js. What is React.js? What are the prerequisites of React.js and the outline for our current series. In today's tutorial, officially we will be creating our first React.js project and try to print out hello world in our browser. So for creating a React.js project, we need two basic things. We have to install these two softwares in our PC. Either it's a Mac or it's a Windows PC. First of all, we required Node.js. It must be installed in our PC. For installation of Node.js, you have to go to nodejs.org/en/download. Go to downloads and select your version, which version you want to use for Node.js. I'll recommend you to install the latest version. After that, select your operating system, select the type of operating system and download it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You will click next for the installation of Node.js. And for the programming, you will be needing some sort of programming, you can say programming software or code editor. For that, I will recommend Visual Code. Actually, I like Visual Code by myself. I personally recommend Visual Code. For installation of Visual Code, you can go to code.visualstudio.com/download. Here you can see all the releases for Windows, for Ubuntu, for Mac as well. You can download them and install them according to your system specifications. Very easy, very normal. You can do it with fingertips directly. Let's go ahead and see how to create a Node.js project, React.js projects. So I had opened Visual Code with an empty folder React in my Visual Code. So let's go ahead and try to open new terminal. So this is the command npx create react react dash app and then project name. I will give the name to project hello world and you can hit enter. You will see like I am getting permission issue, so I'll run the command as an admin access by adding sudo at the beginning and entering the password for my PC. Here you can see the React.js project is going to be create for me from the terminal. You can see guys the terminal. Here it's installing the dependencies. It will take some time to start the project. Let's see. Let's wait a while and try to see how much time it will consume to install the basic dependencies or basic packages for React.js and start a sample React.js application. Yeah, here we are. Now installation, downloading done, installation done, and that's it. Yeah, our React.js project is created. So as you guys see, there is one hello world folder is created. If I'll move ahead, this is the normal project. I have it for my React.js. For running this React.js project, I have to go into this hello world folder and I have to write npm start. As soon as I'll hit enter, they will open for me a web browser and tell me allow, and it will open for me localhost full colon 3000. So wait a while, it's giving me cache issue. Let me go ahead and give a complete access to my from my PC in case this kind of issue is coming to you from your side. So what you can do is you can go to git info. You can unlock by adding the password. I had unlocked. I'll say give read and write permission to everyone and apply it in the closed items as well. And let me see. Yeah, now everyone can read and write. So the system can read and write now. Let me break the process and rerun it. So as you guys see, the React.js is running in my browser. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Let me move ahead and try to change this text to hello world. So for that one, I'll go to my source app.js file. Let me drag it down, and here we are. We have to change this text to hello world. That's it. As soon as I will save the file, you can see here the project is reloaded. No need to reload anything. It will automatically reload the browser, and you guys can see here the hello world is changed. So the text is changed to hello world. Very easy, very simple how to create a React.js project from terminal and what are the required software. So that's it. And let me add another thing for you guys. So this is the normal and basic way to create React.js project. There is another way to create React.js project. First of all, let me discuss what is NPX. NPX is actually Node Package Executor. So Node Package Executor is nothing but just an execution command that will allow you to run an external package inside your terminal or inside your PC. So with the help of NPX you can use NPX create app, and you can write your project name. It will start a React.js project for you, as we did in our current scenario. There is another way to install the project or to start the React project by using npm. Sorry. In that way, by using npm, what you have to do is you have to install globally create React app package first by using this command npm install create React app -g. In the second step, you will call the create React app directly the package name and then followed by your project name and hit enter. It will create a project for you. Very easy, very simple. That's it for today's tutorial. And in the coming tutorial, we will be discussing about the folder structure for React.js. Inshallah, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.